Hello people, yeah, welcome to my channel. So I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel from I don't know, from back then. So the time has come. We're gonna start off the my first video. This is the maintenance vlog, okay? You know when you're done with exams and yeah, and now it's time to look cute again. I was planning on getting my nails done on Wednesday, but the girl is fully booked. My hair, I'm gonna be unpacking my hair now, washing it and doing my own hair because buddy on a budget and I can do my own hair. So my mom just bought me the hair stuff I need. Maybe I can pre-pot today so I make it easy for myself tomorrow. After that we can start because passion twists it's too easy. This is my hair, but I'll wash it later because now it's low shedding, so yeah, we'll wash it later. Morning people, it's day 2. I don't wash my hair yesterday and I'm thinking I should go to the salon and go wash my hair there. I don't feel like hair drying it and it's so hot, guys. It's so hot. We're going to the salon because I'm gonna wash my hair. I have my hat because I'm gonna wear this after because I'm not trying to walk around looking crazy. But anyway, it's so hot. It's so bloody hot. Yeah, now it's time to actually do my hair because I can. Okay guys, update. It's 12:47. Wow, fully done with the head. I'm just gonna finish it because I'm not tired. I should just do it now. But there's load shedding at 2. Here's how it looks. The length and stuff. I'm using 2 types of gels. Well, 2 different gels. I'm using the molding gel wax. This one. And then I'm using the Isoplus hairline and it's holding gel. I'm not using this one alone because this one melts and with the hair that I have, it can be a little stubborn, you know. Hi guys, the time, what's the time? It's 1:38 p.m. I set the 2 because I was tired and then I was like, you know what, I'll continue the next day. I'm done. To get ready and go to my friend's house. Guys, these are our ingredients and stuff. Yes. And we are ready to bake. We're making cinnamon rolls and we're using the recipe on Google and we're gonna make ginger biscuits. I passed, but it's about how I passed. So I'm gonna take a video of my reaction when I open my report. So yay! Yay! Yes, Nana.
For the second year in a row. An outstanding learner in Afrikaans, eerste addisionele taal voor grade 7, Randile Oklahoma.
And then if you thought I could not get you school of pride. Hi guys, McDonald's.
You know what's next?
And the little sister. Anyway guys, we're at McDonald's.
She's going to grade 12. I'm going to do postgrad.
She's
I'm
going
going
to
to
high
high
school.
school.
Guys, at the wool shop and we're just looking for our happy place. I'm gonna calculate the prices because someone wants a dress from me, someone wants a skirt from me. So just gonna check out. We just got our nails done. Nails done. Period. Only you guys knew what was holding up this phone. The trophies. I'll show you guys my nails, but like I ordered KFC with base pepper. I'm just gonna taste the burger because you guys know how the fries taste. This is the packaging. Good. But I'm gonna take it out later because it's good. It's good. Like, I would buy this. I would buy it, like, it's nice and hot. Like, it's so hot. I love that. But anyway, definitely we went to buy some wigs. Yeah. I'll chat to you guys later. I'm gonna be a face mask later. Because today is the end of maintenance week in my life. So it's later on, and like I promised, I'm going to be, it's late and I can't sleep, so therefore I'm gonna put this face mask that we got from Clicks or Discount, I don't remember. It says to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and I washed my face, that's why it's dry, because it needs you to put it on clean skin. So I'm gonna put it on and then I'll show you guys now. I look so scary. It's the Skin Strategy Soothing and Calming Mask, so it should do the job. I'm not supposed to laugh, okay? Okay guys, I'm about to take it off. It's becoming like very, very itchy. Yo guys, this thing is so itchy. Okay guys, it says I have to go wash it off. I think maybe let me wash it off because it's very itchy, and then we're gonna put on what I put on. Okay guys, you guys have reached the end of the first video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it because I enjoyed like making it, and I was editing earlier and I truly enjoyed it. My face feels so weird, like no. But anyway, yeah, I hope it's gonna get better. But anyways, I hope you guys have a lovely day, night, afternoon. You guys really enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on my next video, which is soon. Bye.